If you buy the wrong laptop for Adobe Premiere Pro, you could waste thousands of dollars on weak GPU acceleration, slow rendering, overheating, terrible battery life, and painfully slow export speeds. And honestly, most best editing laptop videos online are completely wrong for professional video editing workflows. So in this video, I tested the best RTX creator laptops for Adobe Premiere Pro in 2026 based on real 4K and 8K editing performance, AI video editing workflows, CUDA acceleration, export rendering speed, thermal performance, and overall creator value. And trust me, one of these laptops completely surprised me. Most people think video editing performance is only about CPU power. That's outdated. Modern video editing workflows in Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve rely heavily on GPU acceleration. So when choosing a creator laptop in 2026, the most important things are RTX GPU performance, NVIDIA CUDA acceleration, thermal cooling, SSD speed, battery efficiency, display color accuracy, and sustained export performance. The biggest mistake: buying a gaming laptop that looks powerful on paper but performs terribly under real creator workloads. A lot of gaming laptops advertise insane specs, but for Adobe Premiere Pro, sustained GPU rendering performance matters much more than short benchmark bursts. Some laptops throttle heavily during long exports, AI rendering, H.265 encoding, multicam editing, and After Effects compositions. That's why cooling and creator focused optimization matter so much. Now let's start with the best overall creator laptop. If budget is not a problem, the MacBook Pro M4 Max is honestly one of the best laptops for professional video editing right now. For Adobe Premiere Pro workflows, it delivers excellent export speeds, incredible battery life, smooth 4K playback, strong 8K editing performance, and amazing media engine optimization, especially if you work with ProRes footage, multicam timelines, color grading, and content creation on the go. The efficiency is honestly insane, but there is one area where Windows RTX creator laptops still dominate: raw GPU acceleration. If you want the best Windows creator laptop for Adobe Premiere Pro, the ASUS ProArt lineup is one of the strongest options right now. With NVIDIA GPU acceleration, RTX creator laptops massively improve rendering performance, export speed, AI video editing, timeline responsiveness, GPU heavy effects, and H.265 encoding. Especially if you use After Effects, Fusion workflows, AI upscaling, and motion graphics. The ASUS ProArt is designed specifically for creators. Better thermals, better display accuracy, better sustained performance, quieter operation during rendering. Now if you want maximum portable performance, the Razer Blade is basically a portable creator station. You get high-end RTX graphics, premium build quality, strong cooling, fast SSD storage, and excellent display quality. This laptop performs extremely well for GPU rendering, AI workflows, 3D rendering, heavy Premiere Pro timelines, and advanced motion graphics. But there is something most YouTubers never talk about: thermal stability. Thermal performance can completely change editing performance. A laptop might look powerful in short benchmarks, but after 20 minutes of exporting 4K footage, the GPU can throttle hard and reduce render speeds dramatically. This is especially important for creators working on long form YouTube videos, client projects, documentary editing, commercial production, and AI video enhancement workflows. So don't just look at RTX numbers, look at sustained creator performance. Now if you want the best value creator laptop, the Lenovo Legion series is probably one of the safest choices. You still get strong RTX GPU performance, good thermals, fast exports, decent battery life, and smooth 4K editing. And for beginner creators, freelancers, and YouTubers, this is honestly one of the best price to performance options available, especially if you are upgrading from older hardware. A lot of creators underestimate storage speed, but slow SSDs destroy cache performance, proxy generation, media loading, export responsiveness, and timeline smoothness. NVMe SSD storage is essential for professional editing workflows. And honestly, 32 GB RAM should be the minimum. 64 GB is ideal for advanced 8K workflows and AI video editing because modern editing software is becoming extremely GPU and memory intensive. AI video editing is changing creator hardware requirements very quickly. Features like AI masking, automatic reframing, AI upscaling, object tracking, AI transcription, and frame generation all rely heavily on GPU acceleration. So buying a weak GPU in 2026 is honestly a terrible long-term investment for creators. And this is exactly why RTX creator laptops are dominating professional editing workflows right now. So here is the simple breakdown. If you want the best overall creator laptop, go for MacBook Pro M4 Max. If you need best RTX editing performance, go for ASUS ProArt. If you want best portable workstation, go for Razer Blade. If you want best value option, go for Lenovo Legion. And remember, real editing performance is not just about CPU numbers, it depends on GPU acceleration, CUDA rendering, thermal efficiency, SSD performance, export optimization, and sustained creator workloads. If this video helped you avoid wasting money on the wrong creator laptop, make sure to subscribe. I will be posting more videos about Adobe Premiere Pro optimization, DaVinci Resolve performance, AI video editing tools, RTX GPU acceleration, creator workstation setups, export speed optimization, and professional editing workflows. And if you want, I can also make a complete best GPUs for Premiere Pro in 2026 guide next. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section which laptop you like the most. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.